How to sing like your favorite star. Now, the secret lies in not trying to imitate them, but trying to produce the sound that you like with your own voice. Hi folks, I'm Boba. I'm a singer and a vocal trainer, and this is my channel about anatomical vocal training. Many people try to sing like their favorite star, right? And there are even tutorials how to sing like your favorite star. And I'm like, yes, it's very good to listen to other people and to figure out what they're doing, but you need to be aware that you're not going to imitate exactly what they have and what they do, and it's going to fit perfectly your voice. What you want to do is you want to understand what kind of muscle anatomically do they use, what kind of shapes do they use, where do they put more width or more sharpness in, and then reproduce that with your own voice. Don't just try to imitate their sound. That can potentially fuck up your voice because they have a different shape of their body. They have a different size of their larynx. They have a different density of their bones. So also the muscle density might be different. What you want to do is you want to figure out how they produce that sound. What is it about that sound that you like? And then you want to recreate that with your own instrument, not trying to imitate their sound, trying to find these sounds within your own instrument. And they might sound a little bit different than what these voices sound of your favorite singers, but that is normal, right? We're not the same person. We are different people. Now that doesn't mean you can't have these amazing sounds, and maybe even sounds that you didn't hear your favorite singers do yet. You can create all the different sounds. It might be a lot of input. It might be a lot of trial and error to figure out, how do I do this? But that's why I gave you this playlist, my full playlist, so you understand all the muscles that are involved in singing and that you can use and gently nudge towards what you want it to be, your sound. But if you understand this muscle action creates that kind of sound, then you can reproduce or produce any sound that any one of your favorite singers is using healthily with your own tools for your own voice. And vocal health is the most important thing. That's why I have a whole playlist over there just about vocal health and what can happen actually when you do aliquot divisions, vocal cord shortenings, or when you push with your belly and then your vocal cords rub against the vestibular folds, all explained in this video also. Very important. So you understand what makes you potentially sick vocally, what keeps you healthy, and why, right? And if you understand the why, you will be able to reproduce sounds healthily with your own tool set, with your own vocal tract, without trying to imitate sound so much and trying more to imitate the right muscle action that these people use for their singing. If that helps you in any way, please leave me a like or a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you around. Want to learn how to do these things that I talk about in my videos? YouTube is great, but a course with an actual methodology is the thing that will give you real results. I have a course called Vocal Foundation on my website. I created a free tour where you can learn the what, why, who, how, and the content, the benefits, the finances, prerequisites, everything about the course. So if you're eager to get your voice to the next level, follow the first link in the description and sign up for my Vocal Foundation free tour.